Matter and Energy in Ecosystems, Unit Lesson 1.5, Photosynthesis in Ecosystems. Activity 2, Modeling Energy Storage Molecules. Let's discuss any new ideas you have about our Chapter 1 question. Why didn't the plants and animals in the biodome have enough energy storage molecules? Why does an ecosystem need energy storage molecules? You might say, energy storage molecules are what all organisms use to release energy for cell functions, growth and reproduction, and survival in their ecosystems. Remember the key concepts from Lesson 1.4. Carbon is part of carbon dioxide, which is abiotic matter. Carbon is also part of energy storage molecules, which are biotic matter. During the process of photosynthesis, producers make energy storage molecules using carbon from carbon dioxide and energy from sunlight. This moves carbon from abiotic to biotic matter. The key concepts we learned in the last lesson answer our investigation question about where energy storage molecules come from. Key concept from systems and system models. If one part of a system changes, this affects the rest of the system. Remember that a system is a set of interacting parts that form a complex whole. For example, the human body has many parts that all work together to form a whole complex human body system. When one part of the body system changes, like the heart stops beating, this will affect all other parts of the body system, and the body will not work properly. Like any system, the biodome ecosystem also has many parts that need to work together to form for the system to function properly. When scientists study any system, they often look at how each part or one part of the system affects the other parts of the system. You've seen that an ecosystem has biotic and abiotic parts. How does the process of photosynthesis connect the biotic and abiotic parts of the system? You might say, during photosynthesis, producers take in carbon dioxide from the abiotic part of the ecosystem, from air or water, and use it to make energy storage molecules. Carbon from the abiotic part of the ecosystem is now in producers, and they are in the biotic part of the ecosystem. You'll be able to show your understanding of photosynthesis and where energy storage molecules come from by making a model with this digital modeling tool. The modeling tool and sim are different. In the modeling tool, you make diagrams or models of your ideas about ecosystems. It represents your thinking. It doesn't run or move to show how the items in your model affect the ecosystem, and it won't give you feedback about whether your ideas are accurate or not. Scientists use models to work out and share their ideas. It's important to represent your thinking as completely as you can. As part of the biodome investigation team, you'll need to communicate your findings to the econauts. And one way to share information is with a screenshot of your completed model. You will now have a chance to explore the modeling tool to see what features it includes and what parts can be manipulated. Students, take 5 minutes to explore the modeling tool activity, Energy Storage Molecules. Share something from the modeling tool that you noticed or have a question about. In order to build models in the modeling tool, you'll first have to understand some basic functions and options. Let's see how it works. Students, play the video. The goal of this activity is to show where the energy storage molecules in an ecosystem come from. Your model should represent what you know about photosynthesis. Students, create your models. End of activity.